going on, everybody? So I took the bait that we've been working on. We're calling it the Hangry Hank. That's going to be the name of this bait. I took the Hangry Hank out for a little test swim the other night and tried to film it. I'll show you guys the footage. So as you can see, the footage isn't the greatest. It's very difficult to try to film a bait moving in the water with the glare and all that fun stuff. It did not swim very good. If I burned it really fast, I could get a little bit of a shimmer out of it. So there's a couple changes I'm going to make, which brings us to baits number 2, 3, 4, and 5. I've got 5 more, all different variations on the inside, different weights and things. And I'm also going to, I think, the top of the bait being so, I'm wondering if the top of the bait being so fat is why it wasn't swimming as good. But I'm kind of confused because some baits are kind of like this Lipless crankbait right here. Really keeps focusing on my face. Really thin on the top, and these swim just fine. And then there's also some of the Lipless crankbaits that do have a really fat top. So I'm thinking it's the position of where our hook tie is, because I took the hook off and tried swimming it without the hook on there, and it still just didn't want to move very good. So I'll show you guys some video clips on the ones I got glued together. I've got the hook tie moved further back because I'm thinking that'll help pull it sideways a little bit more and hopefully get a little bit more shimmer out of it that way. But part of my problem is I'm out in the shop. I finally got time to work on things, and it's dark outside. So the being dark outside makes it incredibly difficult to go test baits and then also be able to get video footage of them, obviously, to show you guys. So I have a solution. I think it's a fix to our problem. Hold that thought. I'll be right back. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. I really should have not waited until it was late outside. Bring this to the shop. To my neighbor, if you happen to watch my videos, I'm very sorry. I basically dropped it out there and it sounded like old thunder in movies. Here's my solution: 6-foot water trough. I really need a bigger shop. So I think something about like that. I don't know. But what I do know is I have a whole winter ahead of us to build baits. Very excited about this. So I guess with water in the tank, let me show you guys how the Hangry Hank swims. The jigging portion looks great. Pretty slow fall. Skirt fans out beautiful. As you guys seen on the other ones, we're changing up where the rattle is on a couple of them, trying the magnets in a couple different spots. So that looks good. Now, if I do a slow retrieve, the skirt barely moves, but has a nice little shimmer to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. But if I burn it, then the skirt really dances, which looks really good. But I'm wondering if we get that hook tie a little further towards the back, if it would turn the bait nose down a little bit more when we're retrieving it. Because as is, it kind of seems like it just swims straight, which could be from the skirt on the back too. I don't know. I guess we could pop that skirt off there real quick and see if that makes a difference. See, this is why, whoops, I just broke that. This is why having a test tank goes a long ways. So it's still, the skirt actually makes it better. Yeah, okay, skirt actually is good. Because you'd think if a lipless crankbait, we'd get a little better than that. So I think it's something to do with the location of that hook tie. So that's what we're going to work on next. Okay, so I got the other 4 of these that I will be sanding, shaping. I'm gonna try that, or I'll make a couple of them skinnier at the top, and we got the weight placement, all that good stuff. I just ran out of time this weekend to do it, and then got the test tank today. So I gotta edit this video so you guys have something for Monday night. Tomorrow's video will be, probably tomorrow and Wednesday will both be painting videos, and then hopefully I'll have these ready to test. We'll come back, test them in the tank, figure out what we need to do different to go from there. And I'm very excited about this because I have a lot of bait build ideas coming up for this fall and winter, and having the tank here to be able to test things is going to be huge. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in tomorrow night's lure painting video.
Yeah. Legends ain't born, they built from the grind. From benches to banners, we sharpen the mind. We sharpen the sword and promise and swore that we going hard and leaving it all on the floor.